Hello everyone, today we are going to learn matter around us, class 9th, first chapter. What is matter? Anything which occupies space and has some mass is nothing but matter. The mobile phone which you are holding comes under matter because it is having a definite shape and mass. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In solid, all the particles are tightly arranged. In liquid, the particles will be lightly arranged, whereas in gas, the particles will be randomly arranged. Let us understand more about solid. Take two solid objects, say a pen and a book, and we are putting them in different containers. Do you find any change in the shape or volume? No, right? So this shows that solid will have a definite shape and a fixed volume. If you drop a book or a pen on the floor, it will flow? No, but it will remain its original shape with a perfect shape and perfect volume. So let us see the properties of solid. Solid has a fixed shape and fixed volume. Solid cannot be compressed. Solid have a high density. Force of attraction between the particle in a solid is very strong. The space between the particles of a solid is negligible. Next, in the previous classes also you have heard more about solid. Let us see activity 1. Identifying the shape and volume of liquids. For doing this activity, we need a measuring jar and containers of different shape. You can collect the containers of different shape. You also need some liquid like water, oil and milk. We are taking some water in one container. Using the measuring jar, we are examining the shape of the water in the container. Pour the same water in another container and have a look at the shape again. Repeat this process till you complete pouring of water in all the containers of different sizes. So this activity seems very simple, but when we observe two important properties of liquid. The shape of the liquid depends on the shape of the container. The liquid takes different shapes depending on the shape of the container, its volume remains same. Properties of liquid. Liquid have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquids can be slightly compressed. Large pressure is required to compress them. Liquid have higher densities than solid. Intermolecular forces of attraction is weaker than solid. They have considerable space between particles. Do the gases have a definite shape and a fixed volume? You might have heard about CNG, compressed natural gas. So CNG will have a fixed shape. They will not have of any fixed shape nor fixed volume. Why? Because they will be stored at standard atmospheric pressure. To provide adequate driving range, CNG is stored on board a vehicle in a compressed gaseous state. So let us see the properties of gases. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor fixed volume. Gases can be compressed easily. Gases have the least density among the three. Intermolecular forces and attractions are weak. The space between the gas particle is large. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.